I told you I was going to do this for real. So the question was about a glass with a suspended underwater cork ping pong ball and one with the steel ball hanging in there. Which one would be heavier on the balance? So here I have my cork ball right there. I'm going to put it on my scale and it reads, can you read that? Let's see if you can read that. Let's see, 166 is what it says. Now, but the ball is not submerged. I have a little mechanism here so I can submerge it. And I think this is another interesting point. If I hold it down, I'm going to read something high, but I'm actually going to go over here and tape this down like that. And there. It goes back to 166. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool. Now for my steel ball, here's my water. It has the same amount of water. I'm going to lower my steel ball in there. $194. So this one is heavier. So why? Again, the reason is that in this case, the water pushes up on the ball to give it a buoyancy force, but the ball pushes back down. Now, the same thing's true over here. The water pushes up, but it also pulls down on it. So it's actually an internal force and doesn't really matter. If you take this whole thing, it has water and it has the cork balls displacing some water. Here, the steel is displacing some water and the buoyancy force is equal to the weight of that water, is which pushes down. So if you took this, which I have, if you took a cup of water to the same level, let me just grab it real quick. This is kind of fun. Okay, so here I have a container of plain water at the same level. Will it be more than 166, more than 194, or what? So let's just try that. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put this on here. It's 205. So it's a little bit more. Why is it more? Well, it should be the same. But I just measured the water a little bit differently then. It's a little bit higher. Okay, the end.